For the chicken marinade, we'll need a tablespoon of sugar, teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 garlic clove, half a lime, 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, coriander powder, curry powder, and turmeric powder. A teaspoon of coriander powder, teaspoon of curry powder, teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of salt, sugar, a couple tablespoons, soy sauce, garlic, and some ginger. Add the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of the coconut milk, and give that all a mix. Cover and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours, minimum 30 minutes. Okay, so this chicken's been marinating for 30 minutes, and I'm ready to skewer it up. So I've got some skewers here that have been soaking in water. Hi, darling. So we're going to try and go lengthways across the strips. For the peanut sauce, we're going to add 2 heaped tablespoons of red Thai curry paste. We're going to stir that through, cook out the rawness of the red Thai curry paste. Add all the coconut milk, teaspoon of fish sauce, tablespoon of sugar. Use palm sugar if you've got it. So to that, we now add peanut butter. In my case, I've made it by putting 200 grams of peanuts into a food processor with a teaspoon of salt and blending with a little bit of oil. We also need to add a 1/4 cup of soy, tablespoon of black vinegar. Okay, it's chicken time. We're going to want to add a splash of neutral oil to the pan. It's quite hot now, so I'm going to turn it down a bit. Spread the oil about with a paper towel, thin layer all over. Okay, so here we have our bamboo skewered chicken. So we're going to fry for 5 minutes on each side. Okay, so I'm going to flip my chicken to see what it looks like. So our chicken is looking about finished. It's had 5 minutes on each side. So to check if those are cooked through, which I'm pretty sure they are, I'm just going to get a knife and slice one of the thicker ends to see the inside. There's our satay chicken with the red onion salad on the side.